Big Orange 2, what we're going to do is we are going to multiply two terms together that have the same base. And when we multiply two terms together that have the same base, we are going to get an answer that has the same base. And we are going to add the letters. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's right there above Kaylee's head on the wall, right above the outlet there. You want to point to it, Kaylee, so everyone can see it? All right, good. It's right there. All right. So, for example, x to the 8th times x to the 3rd would be x, same base, and then you are going to add those two numbers together to get x to the 11th. All right, so that's a baby example of what we're going to be doing. Quiet, please. Here are some common errors that kids will make. As the problems get more difficult, these are the traps that you're going to fall into. Here's trap number 1. That's incorrect. It should be 2 to the 11th. Here's trap number 2. That's incorrect. All right, so just keeping those in mind. You do not multiply the bases together. You keep the same base, and you add the exponents. You do not multiply. All right, so let's start going through our examples. In this case, I've thrown a couple coefficients in there. I did not say anything about coefficients when I read off the rule up there in purple. The rule was only for exponents. You add the exponents. Coefficients just do what we're supposed to do. We're multiplying. So we should be multiplying the coefficients. 2 times 5 is 10. And then we're going to add the exponents. 5 plus negative 2, which is 3. So the answer is 10x to the 3rd. You try this one. Here's another common error that might have tripped you up on this one. That's not correct. Correct answer should be c to the 6th up in our common error. The correct answer to our problem is negative 18 x to the 9th. Example 1. So we're going to multiply the coefficients together. Quiet, please. Adding the x's, adding the y's. Try the next one. Correct answer, positive 15, x to the 5th, y to the 8th. Multiplying the coefficients, we get negative 12. Adding the x's is x to the 5th. Adding the y's is negative 2. You cannot have a negative 2 exponent. You must put it in the basement. So you get that, negative 12x to the 5th over y squared. In this second example, when you put the a's together, you get a to the 5th, b's b to the 4th, c would be negative 1, and the c goes on the bottom, like so.